Good afternoon to all. Today, let us see how to distinguish alcohols and phenols. Okay? Distinction between alcohols and phenols. Alcohols and phenols. Okay? So, let us first consider litmus test. Litmus test. Okay. So, phenol, when it is treated with a litmus paper, okay, it turns that blue litmus paper into red. When we are treating phenol with litmus paper, it will turn blue litmus paper into red. Okay, whereas alcohol, it will not react with litmus paper. Okay, the reason is nothing but in phenols, acidic hydrogen will be present. Phenols are more acidic than alcohols. That is why phenols will convert the litmus paper, blue litmus paper into red. Okay. Phenols turn blue litmus paper red. Blue litmus paper red. Okay. Whereas alcohols, they do not react with the litmus paper. They will not turn blue litmus paper red. This is one test. The second test is nothing but reaction with ferric chloride, neutral ferric chloride. Okay. So nothing but phenols, they react with neutral ferric chloride to form a violet color complex. Violet color complex gets produced when phenol reacts with neutral ferric chloride. But alcohols, they will not react with ferric chloride. Okay. C6H5OH. This is nothing but phenol. This one reaction with FeCl3, ferric chloride. Then it will produce a complex in this way. H3FeOC6H5 of 6 plus 3HCl. This is the complex which gets produced. So it will be violet in color. Violet color gets produced. Okay. So alcohols, they will not react with FeCl3 to form this complex. So this is one more thing to distinguish alcohols and phenols. Okay. The next thing is nothing but coupling reaction. Coupling reaction. Coupling reaction. Okay. Phenols, they react with diazonium halides to form products. Okay. Nothing but coupling reaction will take place. Phenols undergo coupling reaction. Nothing but phenols, if you see the reaction, this is nothing but phenol. This one reaction with diazonium halide. Okay. Or let me write in this way. First diazonium halide, let me write. This is nothing but diazonium chloride. This one reaction with phenol. Okay. So it will produce para-hydroxyazobenzene. Para-hydroxyazobenzene gets produced in this way. Nothing but it forms a dye. Orange dye gets produced. Orange dye gets produced. This compound, we call it as para-hydroxyazobenzene. Azobenzene. If you see this, this is the azo group. Okay. So at para position, OH group is present. So para-hydroxyazobenzene. So it will be orange in color. It forms an orange dye. So phenol on reaction with benzene diazonium halide, okay, dyes get produced, azo products get produced. Whereas alcohols, they will not react with benzene diazonium halide to produce azo products. So this is also a distinguishing test for alcohols and phenols. Next, there is one more test in order to differentiate alcohols and phenols. That is nothing but bromine water. bromine water. When phenol is treated with bromine water, okay, white PPT gets produced. But alcohols, they will not form this white precipitate on reaction with bromine water. Okay. Phenol, when it is treated with bromine water, okay, so it produces a white PPT, nothing but 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol gets produced in this way. 2, at second position, fourth position, sixth position. Okay, bromines are there. So the name of this compound will be 2, 4, 6 tribromophenol. Tribromophenol gets produced. So it forms as a white PPT. White PPT. Nothing but if you see this bromine water, it will be orange in color. So that orange color gets discharged when we are treating with phenol. White PPT is getting produced. Whereas alcohols, okay, they will not form this white PPT on reaction with bromine water. So this is also a distinguishing test for alcohols and phenols. So these are the 4 tests. The first test, if you see, what is the first test? I said litmus paper. Okay, the second test, if you see, we have used neutral ferric chloride. The third test is nothing but coupling reaction. The fourth test is nothing but bromine water. Okay, phenols will be positive with all these tests, but alcohols, they will be negative with these tests. Okay, thank you all.